Hello, welcome to Lasse Food & Barbecue. So I bought this large muffin tray, so I figured I should just make some muffins. So this is what I got. This is actually fairly large. And I'm gonna make some blueberry muffins. And for that I'm gonna be using all-purpose flour, baking powder, melted butter, some sugar, 3 eggs, a little bit of vanilla extract, some blueberries for filling, some blueberries for topping, some kind of high pressure thingy, spray for the tray. This is, I checked it, it's actually good for the environment, or not less bad anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna put all the measurements in the description box below because I only have them in Swedish and I need to translate them. But anyway, let me bring you along and I'll show you how we do this. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by mixing the baking soda and the flour, so I don't forget that. Mix the dry ingredients first then. Just like so. I'm just gonna whisk it together through a little bit anyway, so just fold that together, put it to the side, and then I'm gonna start whisking the sugar into the eggs. That's 2 deciliters of sugar, which is approximately 4/5 of a cup. There we go, incorporated. Then I've got half a stick of butter. Gonna let this slowly go in there. There we go. Time to add the vanilla. This is some kind of Madagascar vanilla. Shrine turret. There we go. And we're just gonna slowly work this in here. That's 4 deciliters of flour, which is 240 grams, and that's what I'm going to give you the weight. Anyway, there we go. I think that's mixed enough. Okay, so we're going to spray this pan. I don't have any paper thingies, so I'm just gonna spray them like so. I'm gonna divide this mixture into the pan as evenly as I can. So let's see. We'll just start with one then. Work our way around. Yeah. Then we're gonna top with a few blueberries as well. Just something like that. You can never have too many blueberries, or can you? Something like so. And then we take one of the spoons, we just press them down into the batter. You tell me if it's working. Anyway, I'm gonna put this in the preheated oven at 225 Celsius. In the middle of the oven. 225 Celsius is about 450, and I'm going to leave it in there for about 30 minutes, but I'm going to check them after 20 with a potato stick, and if I push it in and pull it out, it has to be clean. Anyway, see you back in a bit. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. We're going to check these. I haven't risen this I want them to, but I'm going to stick into this. We're going to check that. It's got a tiny little bit of stick to it. I'll give it 2 more minutes. Bye. Okay, let's cut into this and then taste it. I want it to be mushy. Hope it's mushy. Well, it's a blueberry muffin, alright. Anyway, Bring in for taste test. Okay, there we go. Blueberry muffin with whipped cream. Mmm. It's really good. Good recipe. It's not overly sweet. You can taste the blueberries, of course. Oh, it's really good. I'm gonna have another bite. Very easy, very good, very quick. Have a good Sunday. Thank you for watching. Bye.